Hey, YT family. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you guys will stay and subscribe. And to my old writers, love you guys bunches. So let's get to it. This is actually a sewing machine table that I'm going to turn from shabby to chic and bling. So stay with me and I'll show you what I've used. This is a table which I've already sprayed with the stripper, which I'm using citric strip. I love to use that because you don't have to do it outside, but I am outside on a porch, on my porch. And I've already sprayed it down, and it helps to lift any paint, any discoloring, anything that like you have an overlay or varnish or something like that. It helps to lift it, and it does a great job. I've used it before on my tub. Let me show you the bottle really quick, and it lifts just like I said, even tub. And here it is. You can buy it at any hardware store. Can you start to see the cracking in the wood where it's starting to work and lift? And it works really fast. I love it. That knob has got to go. I have to figure a way of getting it off. Again, it's citric stripper. If I did not say that, I'm putting these videos together. This is a functional drawer up the front, but I don't like that knob. I'm going to have to get that removed. Cannot stand it. Yeah, so as you can see, I just want you to see that it has already started to work. Do you see it lifting? This stuff is amazing. Yes, my go-to for any project that I use would definitely be this stripper. I advise anyone that is doing a project, whether big or small, to use that. Let me give you a closer look. Can you see it lifting? And it is safe again for indoor use because it has no fumes. It actually smells like an orange. So yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to do. So it has a functional drawer up the front. I told you guys this was a sewing machine holder, an old one. That knob has to go, so I'm going to get my sweetheart to saw it off. There's no other way of getting it off. So you see he has taken it off, he sawed it off, and he left some marks in the wood. So no worries, I have something to do with that as well. Broke down, that's the mess so far of the cleanup. Do you see how it lifts up everything? Do you see the color on my bag? And look at it, it is looking great. This is the scraper that I use. I didn't really scrape hard, so I like that kind, the plastic one. And look at the mess that it made. So I'm taking this cloth and I'm wiping it off. Hope you guys can see that it's down to the bare wood. So beautiful and ready for any spray paint or any paint job that I plan to do. I just keep wiping and wiping and wiping till I get all of the stripper off. We are now ready to prime it. I'm going to be using this primer first. No, I didn't plan on sanding it. That's too much work, but I sanded a couple of bumps, but it's no problem. I'm going to prime it first, and then I will do the spray paint. This definitely needs to be done outside. I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum Universal Metallic, and it's going to be in satin nickel. It has come to nightfall, and so I hope you can see. I absolutely love what it's turning out to be. This is the color over here, and it's matching my bedroom furniture. Now I'm applying the mirrors to the piece of furniture. I'm using these mirrors because they're easier for me to work with. I got them, they come in sheets, and I got them from Amazon. I will drop it below. That has to go, the hardware down the bottom. So yeah, they're very easy to apply, and I started to only put them in one area, but it's looking so beautiful that I'm going to put it all the way across the actual drawer. And I'm using the Gorilla construction glue to give it a good hold. Okay guys, just wanted to give you a sneak peek. Isn't that lovely? Yes. And I put that knob on there. Didn't really want to use that knob, but I actually stuck it right on the mirrors and it just fell off. The original knob I wanted to use, I believe it was too heavy, and I didn't make sure that the center was clear of mirrors. So yes, this was the one I originally wanted to use. This one is very, very heavy and beautiful. It's glass crystal, but it's really too heavy, and it doesn't have a screw in the actual furniture to screw it on. So I went with the smaller one and one that was less heavier, but I really, really wanted that one. Yeah, so sticking the little blocks on were very easy. I will drop the link of where I got them from. And I just love, love, love the way it blings off. I did put the polyurethane on there. Hope you can see it. And see right there where I have a slight imperfection. I love it because it's somewhat all over. So it makes it look more vintage, but yet classy and blingy. So I'm upset about that knob. I keep showing it because I am. So after waiting for everything to dry, this is the final result of my makeover. Never throw anything away. As you can see, it matches my other furniture. I matched it up pretty good. This is in my bedroom. As you can see, the mirrors came out really, really nice. And the mirror that I have on the table, that's something that I got, but it actually matches the mirror that I installed on the furniture. As you can see, the furniture is very shiny. The polyurethane came on there very, very good. I hope you can see all the mirrors I put on there. They were kind of hard, but not hard to work with. And because once the polyurethane gets on there, it's a little sticky. But I absolutely love the way it came out. Yes, very, very beautiful. From Shabby to Chic Bling. If you have any questions, drop them below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see yours.